In this video, I will show you how to enable macros in Microsoft Word document. So to turn on and enable macros in Microsoft Word, you can apply these settings. So click on File, then More. Here click on Options. Now in this box, you have to click on Test Center. Then here you will get the option Test Center Settings. Click on it. Now another option is selected, so you have to select this last one, fourth setting. Enable all macros and make sure guys it's not recommended because some potentially dangerous code can run. But if you are sure and you want to use and enable macros, so select this box, then click on OK. Again here click on OK and reopen your Word document. And if you need to disable it, so again same settings and same process. Select any options, then click on OK. So thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you.